Today I will install mud flaps on my Renault Kwid. The OEM mud flaps are of very little use and they keep breaking. The rear ones usually do not break, but I will change them as well. I got these mud flaps online for less than 400 rupees. Fake Sparco obviously. It is made up of plastic and is flexible. The Sparco decals are held by rivets, but I am not sure how long they are going to last. Now I am going to prepare stencils of the mud flaps. I want to install the mud flaps in such a way that it is 1 or 2 inches outside the body. It will prevent mud splashes on the body. Now I am going to remove the OEM mud flaps from the car. I will do the same thing for the other two as well. I will install the front ones 6 inches above the ground and the rear ones 10 inches above the ground. I have marked the holes for the front one and I will do the same thing for the rear one as well. The same process will continue for the other side as well. I have decided that I will install the mud flaps in such a way that the longer side is 1 inch outside the body. I will cut the corners so that it looks better. I have marked the mud flaps so that I know which one goes on which side. Now using the stencils, I will mark the holes. Since these are made up of plastic and I do not have a drill machine, I am using a knife to make the holes. Now I will cut the corners using a hacksaw, and using a sandpaper I will make the edges smoother. Let's install them on the car. The front one is moving. The same problem is not at the rear door. So I will add an extra screw at the front. The fitting looks perfect now. This extra inch sticking out of the body will prevent mud splashes from coming onto the body. This is the look from the rear and this is how it looks from the front. I think these are looking good. I did some testing and it has successfully prevented mud splashes from coming onto the body. Thank you for watching.